Today I'm doing a really unique movement class called Bandaloop. They get you into a harness and then you dance vertically on the walls, and like really advanced people do it off the side of cliffs and buildings. It's pretty neat. I think this might be a really cool type of movement environment that might be welcoming to people who don't vibe with traditional fitness environments. When I was on the website signing up for the class, they have a very welcoming and inclusive vibe, which is like very much the people that I want to be around.
That was a nice one now. Really open body.
I was copying Hannah.
Yeah, copy Hannah. That's what I do. Gorgeous. Yeah. And then look at the wood wall. Nice. Back to stand on the other foot. Whichever the other one is. Wait for Natalie.
Wait for me!
Good. Foot goes over, stand on the right foot. Left foot goes over, face the window. Little back flip, the butt bump. Lift the feet, roll through the chest.
It was so much fun. So much fun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be like incredibly sore tomorrow. It was such a good workout. I just have like nothing but great things to say. What a great experience. I would totally Bandaloop again. I had a great time. That was so fun.